Here I am, right in the heart of the savannah. The air, the vast open plains, it's incredible. Each day here is a new adventure, a chance to connect with nature like never before. Being surrounded by these amazing animals, it's like stepping into another world. The zebras are so gentle yet cautious, letting me get close as long as I respect their space. Every creature here has its own story, its own way of belonging to this beautiful landscape. Capturing these gentle giants, it's an experience like no other. Each movement, each glance, tells a story. To be this close to them, watching them in their natural world, it's a reminder of the beauty and power of nature. Sitting here with a warm cup of coffee, surrounded by the quiet of the savannah, it's a moment of peace in the middle of an adventure. Out there, life moves on at its own pace. Elephants, zebras, all just being themselves. It reminds me why I chose to be here, capturing these beautiful creatures in their world. Beneath this vast, starlit sky, it feels like time stands still. Moments like this remind me of the beauty and vastness of our world.